This is a safe place to learn, grow, and heal together through God's word. Welcome back to this community. If this is your very first time joining us, hit the subscribe button. You can also check our channel to see our previous videos. Check me out on all other social media platforms and follow us, like, and also drop a comment, introduce yourself so we can welcome you to this community. Let me tell you a story about a guy named Jason. Jason was known for this popular phrase, "I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm doing perfectly all right." On the outside, that was true. Jason looked perfectly fine. But on the inside, Jason was carrying this weight of disappointment, weight of harsh words that were spoken to him from childhood, weight of unhealed trauma, weight of betrayal, weight of broken relationship. Jason was carrying this weight of unanswered prayers, weight of fear, weight of limitations. It was just the Lord's. He was carrying this daily, every single time. He carried it to church, he carried it to work, he carried it to meetings with his friend, and he would still constantly be laughing, still with the phrase of, "I'm okay, I'm all right, I'm doing perfectly fine." Jason forgot what it looks like to walk without carrying this heavy weight. He tells himself, "This is who I am. This is who God has called me to be. This is my assignment. I'll carry it till the end." Until one day, Jason asked himself, what if this weight was never meant for me to carry alone? What if this weight was never meant for me to live with it? He keeps asking himself question, how can I heal? I want to stop carrying this weight. If you've also been asking yourself that question, you are in the right place. Welcome to this community. Welcome to this healing series. The purpose of this healing series is to help wounded hearts experience God's healing, discover their purpose, and walk in freedom. This is a safe place to learn, grow, and heal together through God's word. So let's dive into it right now. Let's start with the definition. What is healing? Healing is a state of wanting freedom and deliverance from a particular situation, either it being finances, spiritual, mental, emotional, physical, even in your relationship. It's you wanting freedom and total deliverance. Healing is also needed when sick. And what is sickness? Sickness is when a being is being plucked by forces which attack any of the areas mentioned previously, emotional, physical, or even just our well-being, our mind, our soul, our heart, our health. That is sickness. If you've been searching for hope, carrying silent pain, or just want to be healed from any form of sickness, this community is for you. The next video will go deep into understanding what sickness means. We'll go deep also into healing. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.